Got a 2015 Ram 1500 that is running really weird right now. The owner says that the engine is revving even while he's trying to come to a stop. Well, let's plug in the Innova 5610 and see if we can figure it out. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2015 Ram 1500 that seems to have an accelerator problem. The owner says that the engine is revving while driving it, even when coming to a stop. And he says now he's got something that came on the dash about servicing the electronic throttle, but he managed to get it over here even though it seems like it's running in a limp mode. So we're gonna plug in the Innova 5610 and see if we have any check engine lights or see if we can get pointed in the right direction and see what's going on with this thing. Data link connector is right here in the middle, just under the steering wheel. Plug that in. Let's put the key in. Now, I'm not going to start this just yet. I heard it when he pulled up. It was revving pretty good. So let's just see what's going on before we start this. We'll get connected to the vehicle and it's just automatically scanning it right now. Okay, so it says we don't have any powertrain DTCs or freeze frame data presently stored. Let's go ahead and start it real quick. Yeah, there, it's revving. Oh man, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, yeah, we've definitely got a throttle issue here. Let's go in and do an all module scan and see if there is anything, yeah, that says that's our vehicle. Let's confirm. We're gonna let this do its thing. Okay, so we do have one DTC stored in the PCM. Let's scroll down. Another one here in the EPS or electric power steering. And one in the instrument panel cluster, one in the all-wheel drive. All right, well, let's go down. So we do have a few here, 2 DTCs in the passenger door module, one in the radio. This is the one I'm most concerned with, the one here for in the PCM, the engine control module. Let's take a look at that. There you go, P2299, brake pedal and accelerator pedal position incompatible. I don't think I've ever seen that before, so we might have an issue with that electronic throttle pedal, but I'm wondering why it says brake pedal too. I'm gonna go punch that one into Google and see if we get any hits on that P2299, if there's anything that's common in the Ram trucks. And then we'll come back and see if we can get this figured out. All right, so what I found online is that there are some common causes to that. The P2299, the sensor failure, which would be our throttle position sensor, or the accelerator and brake pedal being depressed at the same time, or some wiring issues, which, you know, this truck is down on an avocado and citrus grove quite often. They've also had some issues with a couple other vehicles getting some wires chewed. So let's pop the hood, and then I'm also gonna dive down underneath here first and make sure that that's connected properly, that the wiring looks good. And then we'll pop the hood and see if we can see any issues under there, find some chewed wires. Okay. Oh, well, that might be our problem right here. Take a look at that. Your floor mat was covering your throttle pedal.
I'll be damned.
So that would do it. That would definitely give us that condition. You know, even if your foot was down here on the floor, that was probably revving the engine while you were trying to stop. That's it. But for good measure, let's take a look under here. Looks like our plug looks fine, and there's nothing wrong with those wires. So I think that was your issue. So no parts required on this one, I bet. But let's clear this code now and see if this now runs better. So let's go ahead and erase this code. So it says erase was successful. Now it rescanned. It says no PCM engine control module DTCs are presently stored. Now let's start the truck and see if we don't rev up now. There you go. Sound better?
I'll be damned.
So we're not revving like crazy on the throttle. Throttle still is responding properly. That's awesome. All right, let's just do a quick scan of the ECM again. No PCM engine control module DTCs are presently stored. Well, that was a quick one, and that was an easy one. So you gotta love the no parts required fix every once in a while. You know, sometimes that happens. You just take out the floor mats to clean everything and you miss a pedal. So Looks like we are good to go. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same scan tool as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.